I'm really excited to try the bison meat. What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm in Banff National Park. We just arrived at this place. We're going to have a bison meat. It will be my first time having it, so I'm really excited to try. They said it's like really lean meat. You know what? Some people don't know what bison is, so I put some insert. It's right here. This is bison. The restaurant is behind me. It's on top here. We'll see how it's like. I'm so excited for this. Let's go. The Bison Restaurant is located in the central downtown of Banff National Park. From the reviews, it's supposed to be one of the best restaurants that serve bison meat.
Clamato and whiskey.
Our drink, according to the menu, it is called Bison Caesar, which is similar to Bloody Mary. However, instead of vodka, they put whiskey, so it gives a smoky taste like bison meat. The garnish is the smoked bison meat wrapped around bocconcini, and on the rim is tahini and salt. I absolutely love this drink. For dinner, I ordered the medium rare ribeye bison, which comes with red wine, shallots, roasted carrots and beets, chimichurri, roasted garlic, cauliflower sauce. For Kevin, he ordered the bison burger with potato salad. It's not too oily. So,
but if the filling is
that's
not
why it's really nice. Like I don't like the taste of it. Like too much fat in your mouth, and then it just gets too oily and then too sweet. This one's like perfect. There's some part of the fat on it, like this one. But then it was not too much, like beef, on top of here. How's it?
It's really good. Like a really juicy burger.
It's the bison burger. So good. Like it's nicely seasoning. It's good.
It's very like chocolatey, like a fudge. Yeah. It's light though. It's pretty good.
Here, try it.
This dessert is called chocolate pave, which is chocolate mousse topped with black cherry, coral honey sponge, honeycomb, black cherry sorbet, and chocolate soil. Too much weight.
Very good.
Oh no! I personally don't think that this dessert is special. It was basically tastes like chocolate mousse, and it was definitely too sweet for me. I don't like this cherry. So we finished the dinner. I have to say it's actually really good in terms of like service. The food, my food was good, but it's quite pricey. It was 89 Canadian dollars, but it was my first time having bison. I would recommend you guys to try it. It's not too oily. That's what I usually get from eating steak, but this one for me it was perfect, and it was not too salty, and also I'm not sure because of the drinks helps or not, like to balance out the taste. It was not too much for me. It was like perfect portion, but I'm not sure about his because he's his burger and he said he's very full, so it's probably a different experience. I do recommend to try it if you never had bison meat before. I would give it like 9 out of 10. One score missing, maybe because of the variety of the food. It should be more different way of cooking bison meat. Yeah, not just burger, not just steak, but more way to make it fancier. So I'll see you guys next video.